This is 1 tablespoon of vinegar added to the milk. You just have to stir it a little bit and leave it for 5 or few minutes. Then you'll have buttermilk. This is evap milk plus 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Hello everyone, today I'm going to inspire you how to make the red velvet cake fit for Christmas because it's red. So the Christmas color is red, silver, and green, so I think this is best thing that I have to do during Christmas. So these are the ingredients. We need finest ingredients. This is the half part of the butter, or 1/4 stick of the butter. I use the branded one. So first you have to stir the vinegar as what I have shown earlier, and then now we are going to beat this. This is cold butter but softened with 1 cup of sugar. Just a disclaimer, I am not a baker. I am not an expert when it comes to baking. I am just researching on how to do this, and I know that I can do this. So you must have your fighting spirit. So we're just going to mix this, beat until it changes the color. So this is our supposedly outcome, but we have to add vanilla. So because I am too eager to show you, I forgot to recap all the ingredients. So ang ingredients natin, 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. You can use cake flour. We have 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then 1 cup of sugar incorporated here. I am melting the chocolate here. This is berries. That is 2 to 3 tablespoons. Then we need 3/4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we need also 3 eggs. Then vanilla flavor or vanilla extract. This vanilla extract is 2 teaspoon. Then we need also red food coloring. I recommend that you have to invest on the flavors, on the ingredients, especially gel color. That's it. This is the base of the cake. So we can now add the egg one at a time, and then we whisk. Just an eyeball, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Do not overmix. Oops, so wait a while. So I used gel food coloring because a little goes along. Now we add the buttermilk, and then we combine the dry ingredients. We will sift.
Hugas ka ng kamay.
Sift the flour and the dry ingredients. Now we add the chocolate, melted chocolate. If you have powder, it's okay. Then mix. Then we mix until well combined. We're going to divide this into 2. And I am using the rice cooker to cook. I grease our pot and put some flour all over. Then I'm just preheating it, and I'm going to pour it in. That's enough. up a bit. Check natin once in a while until it cooks. Toothpick check. Pull this completely removed from the rice cooker and we can frost this. We will do the frosting later. After mga 15 to 20 minutes, medyo nasunog lang yung gilid. Pero pwede natin tanggalin yan. Toothpick check natin. Uy, it came out clean. So done na to. Let's remove. Let's cool this down. Tapos run natin ng knife through the edges. Lalagay tayo ng konti. We're going to put little of the frosting on our cake base. So I'll be back pag natapos ko na, and then patong natin yung pangalawang layer. I tasted it and it's good. Hindi masyadong matamis. So patong natin tong pangalawang layer natin. Ito, chocolates po yan na napunta doon sa ilalim. Ayan, sa gitna. So this is 2 layer. Maglalagay tayo ng decorations dito sa gilid. Dahil Christmas, lagay tayo ng mga sprinkles na pang Christmas. So isa-set natin to sa ref para pag slice later, hindi ganyan kabasa ang frosting. Pwede rin tayong maglagay ng drips, kaso I don't have any time. So, gawin natin. Ito na lang. Pwede pa yan. So, we can put some accent na
Wow, pinaghalo nyo siya kulay. Ay, sweet! Bawal si kuya dyan ha. Huwag bigyan ng play.
So, ayan na. There you have it, guys. Naputol lang ang cane. Ilalagay natin sa ref to para maset. So, later, tikman natin. Tcharan! Tikman na natin. Ay, nag-melt. Nag-melt ang ano. So, tingnan natin. Oops. Natin sa bowl. Yan. Oops. Ayan. Not too perfect, but it's okay. At least I tried. Tikman nga natin. The verdict. Bawasan mo na lang kay Sam. Tikman natin. Ang sarap. Expectedly. Etong cane na nilagay ko, yung minty flavor, na-complement dun sa cream cheese. Bongga. Sana matikman nyo at matry nyo rin, mga bes. What about you, ate? Wow! Do you like it? Di ba ang sarap ng candy cane? What about you, Sam? Is it delicious? Oy, ang galing yung beautiful eyes na naman, no? Daddy? Thumbs up. Where's Kuya? I hope you like this.